only introduced you to the Julia type system in the first week. A value of 3.141 would be a floating point type, whereas the value 3 would just be an integer. So for any variable, we have the concepts of both a value and a type. Julia uses this type information to choose the correct method when calling a function, for instance. We might use types in a different context though, by creating your own types, called user-defined types. After completing this honors lesson, you'll better understand the Julia type system. You will be able to create your own types, parameterize those types, and be able to overload methods for Julia functions so that you can use your new user-defined types. So, after this lecture is done, what do I want you to be able to do? I really want you to understand the Julia type system. I want you to be able to create your own user-defined types. Now that's very interesting. We have a value of 10, which is an integer. We have a value of 10.0, which is a floating point value. But we can create our own types in Julia, and that allows us to write some powerful code. I want you just to understand a specific kind of user-defined types where we actually parameterize the type. And then I want us to be able to overload methods for Julia functions so that they can use these new types. Imagine we're adding 10 plus 10, which is 20. Plus is a function, and it can take arguments of two integers. But what if you want to write a plus function for types that you've created yourself? They are not integers, they are not floating point values. They would be something else, and you would have to alter the code that exists for plus, the plus function, to be able to handle your new user types. After this lesson, you should be able to do that.